everybody, welcome back to another Rockabilly guitar lesson. This is another Buddy Holly song, at least the intro, to I'm Gonna Love You Too, one of my all-time favorite tracks by Buddy, a really bouncy song. And as many of you know, on this day 59 years ago, Buddy died together with Richie Valens and the Big Bopper in this fatal plane crash outside of Mason City, Iowa. A few years ago I went to visit the plane crash site and also the Surf Ballroom in Clear Lake, Iowa, where they had the last concert of this Winter Dance Party tour. Well, the last concert with Buddy, Richie and the Big Bopper. And I can only highly recommend everybody go in there and visit the place. It's an amazing place. They did a great job of restoring the old building. But before we start with the actual lesson, I just wanted to let you know that our Sun and Lightning records are available now. Here's how they sound on my record player.
When you came to see me, I'm on a summer evening. You wear so breathtaking. You got my whole body shaking ever since I met you. Oh well, the heartbreak was over and we were driving home. Now it's time for love. We've been out for a dance, now it's time for romance. Yes, it's time for love. We had a drink or two at a barbecue, and now let's turn off the light.
Of course, you can order both records from my website. The link is in the description below. But now let me show you how to play the intro to I'm Gonna Love You Too by Buddy Holly. So this intro didn't make much sense to me for the longest time. Same goes for the chord progression. I think Buddy Holly and Johnny Cash, they are masters and make it a three-chord song so complicated that you always get thrown off at one point in the song. So I'm Gonna Love You Too is in the key of A, and the intro starts here on the 12th and 14th fret, E and B string. And you play this double stop 3 times. Then you move this shape to 10 and 12 and play it twice. 9 and 10, 3 times. 7 and 9, 3 times. 5 and 7, twice. And then 4 and 5, 3 times. What we got so far is this. And it's all downstrokes. Yeah, Buddy Holly was the master of downstrokes. Then we move to the 2nd and 3rd fret. Then the 2nd fret on the B string, but open E string. 3 times. And then both open strings, B and E, twice. And then you play an A chord. And I play the G and B string, or D, G and B string, like this. Let's put everything together we got so far. And this is the one, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You land here on A. And then you grab an E chord, just a regular E chord here. And you play, you start on 2, yeah? So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Then you put your pinky onto the D here, 3rd fret B string, to make it an E7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, so you play a full bar of 8th notes. So the last bit here, starting on the A, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And here's the whole intro. Actual song starts. So and once you got this pattern down, you got to bring it up to speed.